Hello, everyone. Today we will introduce you to the features of HarmonyOS 4.0. On August 4th, Huawei held its annual HarmonyOS Developer Conference. Furthermore, during the conference, Huawei unveiled the HarmonyOS 4.0 operating system. HarmonyOS 4.0 has further diversified and optimized its microkernel services. Transformation into features. HarmonyOS 4.0 enhances its fundamental services, offering multi-device compatibility, card-based experiences, and proactive services, enabling services such as Sina Finance, Zimalaya, and Geek's fundamental services. All have gained consumer popularity. HarmonyOS 4.0 has also developed personalized themes. Fun nude theme, panoramic weather wallpaper, personalized watch faces, and more. Brand new visual and interactive experience allow users to fully express their personality and emotions. For example, users can customize their experience based on their current mood. It involves creating interesting and unique mood wallpapers that are exclusively one's own. HarmonyOS 4.0 has also undergone a comprehensive upgrade in terms of application tracking and management. It offers fine-grained management functionality. The ability for developers to obtain device identifiers has been changed from uncontrolled access to authorized control. This addresses the phenomenon where certain application developers freely access and collect user information. Here's an example. Search for certain objects in some applications. When you open another app, it suggests or even provides you with similar or identical content. Items. Tracking management is employed to mitigate such situations and safeguard individual privacy. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.